How to fix no connection error in WhatsApp PC. Let's get started. So for that, first of all, you want to make sure your internet connection is working properly. Open a browser like Google Chrome and test any website. After that, close WhatsApp desktop completely and reopen it again. This can fix temporary connection glitches. You want to go ahead and simply check your phone's connection. WhatsApp desktop depends on your phone, so open up WhatsApp on your phone and make sure it's connected to internet. Now after that, you want to make sure you're using the latest version of WhatsApp desktop because update often fix connection bugs. Now, if you're using a VPN or proxy, you want to go ahead and simply turn it off temporarily. These can block WhatsApp connection. Now you can go ahead and log out of your desktop WhatsApp and link your device again. If nothing works, you can uninstall WhatsApp application and reinstall it again. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.